Right, so here I am this morning installing this intake in my car. I've got the thing off. Really not necessary, but I'm going to use the ratchet because I got it. Very easy. Can't do this one-handed. Very excited. All right, so now I got the intake installed. On one of the videos I said that I was gonna get a CTS turbo exhaust. It's not an exhaust, it was an intake. I just woke up, but now it's installed in my car. Looks pretty good. Now we can hear what it sounds like. Do a couple pulls on the video so you guys on YouTube can know what I'm hearing. I'll be doing the videos from inside my car. Yeah, so what I like about this is it comes with a heat shield over here. And yeah, away from all the hot heat over here. I don't know how much heat it really deflects, but it's on. It took about 25 minutes to install, but that's it. And now this is what it sounds like with the hood down. Very happy right now. This is what I took off of my car. It's the air box with the K&N filter. The K&N filter is about 2 months old, but I guess I can keep it just in case. Yeah, but that's it. Everything is done. This is just a video on the CTS intake. I'm using a RKX diverter valve.